Hello students, Devyani ma'am here. So we have already done standard plan. Now today we are going to start with single use plan. Single use plan, what's the meaning of single use plan? Plan for a shorter period of time or one time plan. And we have already discussed these are non-recurring in nature. Their objective is to complete the given project or event. Single use plans, students generally have very narrow scope because these are very short term plan, for that's why the scope is a narrow scope. And single use plan, when we are talking about that is budgets, program and project. Now let us start with program. We are going to start with program. So you can see over there, programs are detailed statement about a project which outline the objectives, policies, procedures, rules, tasks, human and physical resources required, and the budget to implement any course of action. What is the meaning of this thing? That is, program are a combination of goals, policies, procedure, all possible elements are there in program, and that is the reason it is termed as complex. Program is always complex. Complex means a program, it's a complex structure because number of things are there, and program is always supported by capital and budget, because without that it is not easy, or it is not possible to complete any program. Moving towards next, we are going to start with budget. Again, single use plan. A budget is a statement of expected results expressed in numerical terms. You all are aware that budget is always expressed in figures. So it is a plan which quantifies future facts and figure. Quantifies expressed in quantity of figure. Since budget represent all items in number, so it becomes very easier to compare with the actual figure with expected figure. Budget is always prepared beforehand, so we can easily compare our actual performance with beforehand what we have decided while preparing budget, so that management people can take corrective action. And that is the reason, you can see second last line over there, that is the reason budget is termed as control device. Moving towards the next one, that is objectives. Over there heading is given neither single use nor standing plan. The objective can be of single use, and objective can be for a longer period of time. So what is objective? The very first thing when we have done planning, so the very first step in planning is setting objective. You all are aware of that part. And objective is the means and ends. What is the meaning? Objective is the end because we want to achieve that target. This is our target. So objectives therefore can be said to be a desired future position that the management would like to reach. Is it clear? And objectives need to be expressed in specific terms. They should be measurable in quantitative terms. If objectives are expressed in numbers, then it is very easy for the management people to achieve it. Always remember this part. If it is expressed in numbers, it will be easy to achieve it. And another important things when we are talking about objectives, objectives can be major objectives, objective can be minor objectives, and just now we discussed objectives are the ends towards which the physical and human energies of an enterprise are channelized. So all individuals, groups, departments are integrated, coordinated and directed to achieve objectives. Now moving towards the next one, students, strategy we are going to start with. A strategy provides the broad contours of an organization's business. Strategy is again comprehensive plan. Again, number of things are there. That's why a strategy is a comprehensive plan. Let's see fourth line. This comprehensive plan means strategy includes three dimensions. The very first thing under strategy, determining long-term objective. So we are talking about strategy means to decide the long-term objective of business. Secondly, adopting a particular course of action to achieve to achieve that long-term objective, what are the courses of action, and then accordingly allocate resources necessary to achieve the objective. So three dimensions are there: long-term objective, particular course of action, and allocating resources necessary to achieve the objective. Then when we are talking about student strategies, strategies usually, you just see the line over there, strategies usually take course of forming the organization's identity in the business environment. Major strategic decision will include decision like whether the organization will continue to be in the same line of business or combine new line of activity with the existing business. What is the meaning of this? Now, to capture market, what will be the strategy of any business organization? They will focus on this existing line of business, or they will enter into some other line of business also. So what is their strategy to control market? What is their strategy to increase their sale percentage? So hope so your point, all the points are clear. We have done single use plan. That's it, student, for the day. Thank you.